Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vinayan. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am going to discuss about a, a course name called DMS, Discrete Mathematics. And in that my topic is Basic Connectivities and Truth Tables and Logical Equivalence. Understanding Basic Logical Connectivities. Explore the essential building blocks of logical expressions and their applications in rational thinking. In this, there are five conditions: and, implies, or, if condition, if and if only if, and not. Let us discuss one by one. And, conjunction. And, true if both statements are true. This connective is fundamental in logical expression where both conditions must be satisfied yield a true result. Implies the true unless a true statement leads to false conclusion. This connective is often used in conditional statements establishing a cause-effect relationship. Or disjunction explained. Or true if it at least one statement is true. The connective allows for flexibility in logical reasoning as it requires only one condition to be satisfied. If and only if condition, biconditional. It is also known as biconditional. If true when both statements share the same truth value, this representing a strong equivalence between two statements useful in logical definitions and proofs. Not, it is also known as negation. Not inverts the truth value. This connective is crucial for expressing the opposite of given statement, allowing for more complex logical expressions. Understanding truth table construction, a guide to creating a interpreting truth tables and logic. Identifying logical connectivities. Determine the logical operators involved expressions such as and or not which affect the truth values. List all possible truth values. Enumerate every combination of truth values like true or false for individual statements in the logical expression. Calculate the compound statement. Evaluate the truth value of entire expression based on the individual truth values and logical connectivities used. Example truth table. P and not Q. And are the truth table shows how different values P and Q held the result of the expression. Understanding the logical equivalence in depth. Definition of logical equivalence. Logical equivalence occurs when two statements yield the same truth values across all scenarios, providing a crucial basis of logical analysis. Example, P implies Q. How? The statement P implies Q is logically equivalent, not P or Q, illustrating a fundamental equivalence in propositional logic. Using truth tables. Demonstrated through truth tables, leader can leverage these equivalents to simplify complex logical statements in discussion and presentations. Understanding tautologies and contradictions. Define tautology. Definition. A tautology is a statement that is always true, such as P or not P. The concept crucial for logical analysis. Definition of contradiction. A contradiction is a statement that is always false, P and not P. Recognizing contradictions aids and logical reasoning. Importance of leaders. Understanding tautologies and contradiction enables leaders to construct robust arguments and identify fallacies in reasoning, enhancing decision making. Logic in leadership. Applying logic for effective leadership. Enhancing decision making. Utilizing logic to clarify options and predict outcomes in leadership roles. Enhance informed decision making. Strategic planning insights. Employing truth tables to evaluate different strategies implications leads to more effective strategic and planning. Effective conflict resolution. Analyzing the contrarguments through the logical lens aids in resolving conflict and achieving consensus. Constructing your own truth table, enhancing your analytical skills through practical exercises in logical and reasoning. Choose a logical expression. Select an expression that include at least three variables to analyze its truth values and outcomes effectively. Build the truth table. Create the truth table by listing all possible combinations of variable values, ensuring clarity in the logical relationship presented. Identifying key properties. Analyzing the truth table to search validity consistent like equivalence among the elements. Understanding logic and its applications. Exploring the importance of logical in effective communication and decision making. Basic connectives are fundamental. Basic connectives from the foundation for understanding logic, enabling clarity in reasoning and argumentation. Truth tables clarify statements. Truth table provides a clarity on the relationship between statements, making it easier to analyze logical outcomes. Logical equivalence simplifies arguments. Logical equivalence aids in simplifying arguments, which enhances effective decision making and reasoning processes. Leaders use logic for communication. Leaders can apply logical reasoning and to improve communication, helping to resolve disputes and foster understanding. Skills drive successful outcomes. The skills are invaluable for driving successful outcomes in any organization, promoting a culture of critical thinking. Thank you. Thank you for watching.